Welcome, today we're going to show you how to link or replace a bank account on Square app. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Square app on your phone as see from here. Just click on it. After that, here's what you see after you open the Square app. Here's the dashboard. So now you need to click on the menu or more button on the down right corner. So after you do this, you need to click on the settings icon or the gear icon as see from here. Now from here, you need to click on the account option. So it will be right in the middle of the screen. Just click it. And now from here, there's the account options, the general options. So you need to click under the general options, the bank account option in the middle, as see from here. Now, if you have actually a bank account, you will see change bank account. Or if you don't have a bank account linked to the Square app, you will see link a bank account option. So either way, you need to just click on change or link a bank account. After you do that, now you need to enter your password to verify that you are the one changing things in the app. After that, hit on continue. And now you need to add the new bank account number, name, and everything with this bank account. Also, you need to choose the type of bank account, like personal, business, or savings. Also, you need to make sure that you have $1 minimum on your bank account, so they will charge you $1 for connecting and they will give it back to you after they verify that this is a real bank account. So that's actually how you link or replace bank account in the Square app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.